The environment plays an important role in the existence of life on the planet Earth. The word environment is derived from the French word environ, which means surrounding. An environment is generally defined as the surroundings or conditions in which a person, animal, or plant survives or operates. Our environment plays an important role in healthy living and the existence of life on planet Earth. Earth is a home for different living species, and we are all dependent on the environment for food, air, water, and other needs. Therefore, it is important for every individual to save and protect our environment. Acid rain, acidification of oceans, change in the climate, deforestation, depletion of an ozone layer, disposal of hazardous wastes, global warming, overpopulation, pollution. The list goes on as to the different types of human activities which are directly attributed to the environmental disasters. Our environment is constantly changing, and as our environment changes, so does the need to become increasingly aware of the environmental issues that are causing these changes. With a massive increase in natural disasters, warming and cooling periods, and different types of weather patterns, people need to be a lot more cautious with the way they lead their lives in conjunction with the types of environmental issues our planet is facing. Good day, grade 10s. I hope you are well, and we will be focusing on the causes of environmental issues and the impact it has on our environment. We'll first break down environmental issues. Environmental meaning it relates to the natural world and the impact of human activity on its condition. Issues is an important topic or problem for debate or discussion. Environmental issues are the harmful effects of human activities on the environment. These include pollution, overpopulation, waste disposal, climate change, global warming, the greenhouse effect, and so on. Some of the current environmental issues that require urgent attention are as follows. Climate change. Climate change is a great concern in today's scenario. This problem has surfaced in the last few decades. Greenhouse gases are the major cause of climate change. Environmental changes have severely destructive impacts such as melting of glaciers, changing seasons, epidemics, and so on. Global warming. The burning of fossil fuels, emissions from the automobiles, and carbon add to the greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. This has led to an increase in the Earth's temperature, causing environmental changes. This increase in temperature across the globe is known as global warming. Ozone layer depletion. The ozone layer is a layer of concentrated ozone gas. It protects us from the sun's harmful rays and is very important, but it is being destroyed by chlorofluorocarbons, also known as CFCs, which are used in industries and everyday life. The chlorine in these compounds destroy the ozone layer. The hole in the ozone layer leaves humans and wildlife exposed to harmful UV rays, resulting in severe skin diseases, including cancer. Water pollution. The introduction of harmful substances into rivers, oceans, lakes, and ponds, which changes the physical, chemical, or biological condition of the water, is called water pollution. The polluted water lacks oxygen and therefore the organisms die. Water is the main source of life, and therefore it should be our primary duty to prevent it from being polluted. Air pollution. Air pollution is a result of emissions from industries, automobiles, and the increasing use of fossil fuels. The gaseous emissions have added to an increase in the temperature of the Earth. Not only this, but it had also increased the risk of diseases amongst individuals. Solid waste management is defined as the discipline associated with the generation, storage, collection, transfer and transport, processing and disposal of solid waste in a manner that does not have a harmful effect on the environment. The depletion of trees and forests at an alarming rate is known as deforestation. The trees provide us with oxygen and several raw materials and also maintain the temperature of the earth. Due to the depletion of trees for commercial purposes, there has been a drastic change in the earth's climate. Forests are an abode to a large number of wild animals and plants. Destruction of forests have led to elimination of a large number of plants and animal species, affecting biodiversity. Another environmental issue that is crucial is known as overpopulation. The Earth's population is increasing drastically. It is estimated to be more than 7 billion. The increase in population has led to a shortage of resources. If this continues, it will be very difficult to sustain such a large population. The other environmental issues, including pollution, waste management, deforestation, climate change, and global warming, are associated with overpopulation. Although we may have environmental issues that seem beyond our control, we can do little things by helping our environment. Number 1, replace disposable items with reusable items. Number 2, the use of paper should completely be avoided. Number 3, conserve water and electricity. Number 4, support environmentally friendly practices. Number 5, recycle waste to conserve natural resources. Environmental issues are a warning of the upcoming disaster. If these issues are not controlled, there will soon be no life on Earth.